Hi everyone, I thought I would make a quick video to walk you through some of the resources that I have mentioned in the announcements and in some of the modules and in some of your individual comments. We're on the home page now, and this first one, shortcut to essay links, this is an important one. It will change for each essay. Right now it has all of the essay 1 relevant materials, so if you click on that, it will take you to all of your shortcuts. The original instructions, the essay prompt is right there, as well as the submission page for turning in your final draft. The list of Unit 1 sources, we're going to go back to that in a minute. And then all of the other resources that you have, the audience and purpose questions from the week 3 module when I first assigned the essay that gave you some different questions to think about a specific audience and purpose. This handout with 4 different options for some suggestions for how you might want to structure the essay. Planning tips had some sample thesis statements. These right here, these next 3 are all in the current module to help you format your works cited page and your in-text citations. Sample essays also in the current module. And a few checklists to help you as you're finishing up. Let's go to this list of Unit 1 sources. And here you'll see you have a one-stop shop of all of the potential sources. Remember, with Essay 1, you are limited to only Unit 1 sources, no outside research. You must use How Protests Work. You have the link to the website as well as a PDF version. And then you also must use examples from the 57 bus. You're also welcome to, but not required to, use any of the articles that we have read in Unit 1 or have been mentioned. Some of them were optional bonus articles, so they weren't required reading. Also any of the articles from Unit 1. So you have your list of links and PDF versions to all of those. Youth in Revolt, that was from week 1. The petitions article from week 1, and then the social media article that you read as part of a quiz. And then some of the news articles about the actual event that happened to Sasha. I put the change.org. If you want to use general information from change.org or a specific petition, you're welcome to do that. And I also linked Carl Fleischmann's full letter. The part of the letter was published in the book, but the full letter is there if you want to read and use that. And then the videos that we've watched. This first one, actually, you guys did not watch. I only used it in the on-campus classes, but you're welcome to watch it and use it if you want to. And then down at the bottom, these handouts are part of this week's module, but they're also here. It shows you how to correctly use in-text citations for the 57 bus and the Andrews article. And then this guide shows you exactly how to format your works cited page. I gave you the proper format for a book and an article that appeared on a website, which is 57 bus up here, and How Protests Work. I also gave you all of the citations for the videos. Videos can be a little tricky for MLA citations, so I just created them for you. Eventually, in the next essay, if you find your own videos, you can follow the same format. But right now, all you need to do is copy and paste any of the videos that you might use. I know at least a couple of people are using the basketball game video. That's this one right here. It also has the blog post is that we read. You can use this citation for that, and change.org, and then Carl Fleischmann's letter. So most of them I created for you. All you have to do is copy the formatting. Let's go back to the home page real quick, and let me show you a couple other resources. The rubric index I've mentioned in a couple places. So if you click on that, that will take you to all of the categories that I'm going to be looking at when I grade your essays. And for instance, right now, thesis statements was a big part of last week. As you were working on your thesis statement, or if you need to rework your thesis statement, you might visit the rubric index and go to some of these sites. Just about everything linked here has been either required or optional reading in the modules, or will be when we get there. So you can see introductions and conclusions, development and support, use of text, so you can find resources to help you with whatever issue you are wanting help with. Let's go back to the home page. And the Need Help button, if you click on the Need Help button, it will take you to some resources. So Essay Help, the Writing Center, Purdue OWL for the Works Cited page, Smart Thinking online tutoring, as well as some research and citation and grammar help. Back to our home page. One last thing. I put a direct link to online tutoring here. You could also find it right here, Smart Thinking Online Tutoring. I had lots of students use it last semester and it was really helpful. You can either have a one-on-one chat with a tutor where you ask questions or copy and paste a sentence or a paragraph, or you can upload your entire paper and get feedback within 24 hours. Okay, I hope that's helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to email me. And good luck writing your paper. Look forward to reading them.